Hello everyone, my name is Putu Sri Santi. I am from 6A class, Ganesha University of Education, English Language Education Department. In this video, I would like to answer the question about the nature of young learners. The questions are: who is young learner, what age they are, and what are their characteristics. So young learner is a learner who is young in the age of 5 to 13 years old. There are some characteristics of young learner. The first one, they are from kindergarten and primary school students. The second one, they English is a new subject to learn for them. The third one, they have limited time to learn English at school. And the fourth is they have limited opportunities to use English in environment. As we know that in Indonesia, people speak Bahasa Indonesia. So English is a foreign language in Indonesia. That's why the learner have limited opportunities to use the English because English is a foreign language in Indonesia. According to Wendy and Lisbeth book entitled Teaching English to Children, they divided the characteristics of young learners into two according to the age of them. The first one is the age of 5 to 7 years old, and the second one is from age to 10 years old. So in 5 to 7 years old, the characteristics are: the first one, the young learner can talk what they are doing, and the second one, the young learner tell what they have done or heard. So in this case, the young learner already can describe what they are doing and what they are heard. The third one is, in this space, the young learner understand the situations more quickly rather than language use. Young learner learn through experience. They will build their understanding and their comprehension by experience it. And the fourth is, in this space, the young learner cannot differentiate which one is fact and which one is fiction. So the line dividing between the real world and the imaginary world is not clear for them. So the next or the fifth is, in this space, the young learner like learning through playing. So learning through games, they like learn through games. So because they have short attention and concentration span, the teacher need to make the learning process or learning activity as fun as possible, so the teacher can keep their attention and attract them to the material that the teacher wants to deliver. The sixth is, in this space, the young learner cannot decide what they want to learn. So they just accept the knowledge from the teacher without they ask which one they want to learn or which one they don't want to learn. And the last is, in this space, the young learner is very active and enthusiastic. It is important to teacher to keep their enthusiasm while learning process. And next to the second characteristics, from 8 to 10 years old. The characteristics are: the first one, in this space, the young learners already able differentiate which one is fact and which one is fictions. And the second one, in this space, the young learner will ask question all the time because of their curiosity. They will frequently ask the question about what they don't know. The third is, in this space, they can or they have defined views what they like or don't like. So they able to tell their feeling if they like about the material or they don't like about the material. And the last is, in this space, the young learners are able to work with team. In this space, they can work with team and they able to socialize with others. Okay, that's all about the explanation about the nature of young learner. I'm sorry if I made a mistakes, and goodbye.